Subscribe to Facts by Me channel to get more videos like this.
Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to discuss some questions based on light, reflection, refractions, that is the numerical questions, and some diagram based questions. So let us see the first question. So we have to write the correct, ask the question as given, write a correct relation between U, V and R for spherical mirrors. So U is the object distance and V is the image distance and R is the radius of curvature. R is the radius. So we have to find a correct relation between these three. So this is given for spherical mirror. So we'll use that formula, which is 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So radius of curvature, we know that R equals to 2F. So F will equals to R by 2. So here F given, so we can take R by 2. Then it will form 1 by R by 2 equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So after calculation we will get that 2 by R equals to, so we will add this one, so we will get UV and here U plus V. So it will, so here again we will get 2 by R is equals to UL. So cross multiply we will do, so it will become R whole U plus V by 2 UV. Or we can form it one as 1 by R equals to U plus V by 2 UV. So we can interchange as R, so it will become 2 U by U plus V. So we have got a relation between the object distance, image distance and radius of curvature. So first we will convert into 1 by focal length. Radius of curvature is 1 by R by 2, then it becomes 2 by R, and we will add this one both, so we will get U plus V by UV. So after calculation we will get 1 by R equals to U plus V by 2 UV. So radius of curvature along we will take, we will get 2 UV by U plus V. So here the relation is R equals to 2 into UV by U plus V. Let us have next question. So you are asking, a student determines the focal length of device X. So here a device X is given, you can see, by focusing the image of a far off object. So here some object is placed which is very far on the screen position as shown in the below figure. So here screen is also placed. So we have to find the device X. The device X is also given. So we have to find which type of device is X. So if we take C, as it is a concave mirror, so when it travels through here, it passes like this. So we can take that X is a convex mirror. So the convex mirror is given. So 3 light are passing. So after the reflection, they will come like this. So this question is given here. You can see. So this X, which is closed, that is concave mirror. Student determine the focal length of a device X. So he knows that focal length of device is, so we have to find the device X. What is the device X? So we can take that concave mirror. So device X is concave mirror. So after reflection, the screen comes to here, that reflected light. Let us see a real object at a distance F in front of its from the pole producing the image at. So we have to find the image distance. So a concave mirror given. So focal length will be plus FC and real object distance F. So distance U equals to also front of a mirror from the pole. So we take minus FCM. And we have to find the V. V equals to what? We know the formula, it is given. Mirror it is given. So we'll take 1 by focal length equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So it will form F given 1 by F. So we'll take 1 by F equals to 1 by V we have to find. So we have to take 1 by V equals to 1 by focal length minus 1 by object distance. So it will become 1 by F minus U is given minus F. So it will become plus 1 by F. It will be 2 by F. 2 by F equals to 1 by V. So when we will get V, it will become F by 2. So we got that image distance which produces an image distance will be positive F by 2 centimeter. Means half of the focal length of that image distance will be formed in the behind of the convex mirror. So focal length we have got is given F and the object distance given F, but it is in front of mirror, so we will take minus F. So after calculation we will get that image distance is F by 2 centimeter. Let's see next question. A man runs towards a mirror with a speed of 15 meters per second. What is its speed of his image? So here plane mirror is given and here one man is standing. So it is running at a speed of 15 meters per second. So here it came at a speed of 15 meters per second. So when that image is formed, how much distance he is traveling, that much distance only at that same time he will travel. So here both the speed and both the distance is same. So this also 15 meters per second. So your speed of the image will also same, that is 15 meters per second. Let's see the next question. Next question is given. A projection lens of a projector has focal length 5 cm and it is desired to get an image with the magnification 30. Then the distance of the screen from the lens must be what? So a projection lens we have got projection lens is again 5 cm. So we'll take that focal length F equals to minus 5 cm and it is desired to get an image which is magnification. So magnification given M equals to 30 and the distance of the screen from the lens. So we have to find the distance of the screen. Means if we find the V, we will get the answer. You know that M equals to, here lens is given, so it will be M equals to V by U, and here M is given 30, so take 30 equals to V is that find, and U also not given. So after calculation we will get that V equals to 30U. So when we multiply we will get that V equals 30U. So the distance of the screen the lens must be how much? So answer will be 30U. Let's see the next question. Next question is asking that an object is situated at a distance of f2 from a convex lens given of focal length. How much given it is? A focal length F. So F only given, so we have to find the distance of the image. First we have to find the distance of f2. An object placed distance f2 from the convex lens. Means here u equals to minus of f by 2 of focal length f, and here focal length is given, it is convex lens, so we'll take only f and we'll find the distance of v. So what is the v? So we know the formula 1 by f equals to, here it is given which mirror? Lens is given, so we'll take 1 by v equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So after that we will get 1 by v equals to 1 by f plus 1 by u. So f is given f, we'll take 1 1 by f, and here minus of 1 by v. Means we will take, it will be, after calculation it will become 2 by f. It will be f, and here 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 by f. We have got that 1 by v equals to minus 1 by f. So v equals to minus of fc. So we got the answer that here our image distance is minus of focal length. Let us have the next question. Next question is given. We have to find that. We have to find the optical component x. We have to find the optical component x. So we can see that the A and B lines are going from here, and after that it is diverging. So thatly we can see that in which lens divergence is happening. So this is convex lens. So when convex will happen, the lens will converge. So we will take concave lens. In concave lens, the rays will diverge and they'll form a meet at f. So we can directly take that x equals to concave lens. So x equals to concave lens. Let us see the next question. Next question is given. An object is placed 20 cm from the concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. Then image is formed at. So again we have to find the image distance. So we have given object is placed at 2 in front of the concave mirror. So concave mirror, that u equals to minus 20 cm, and that focal length gives us 10 cm. So focal length is always negative. We have to find that v equals to what. So again we will use that mirror. It is given, it is mirror, so we will use the mirror formula, which is 1 by f equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by v will be 1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by f is given 10 cm, so we'll take minus 1 by 10 minus of 1 by u. So it is negative, so it becomes plus 1 by 20. So 20 and 10 LCM will take. So we'll get that LCM will be 20. So it will become minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 by 20. So we have got that 1 by v equals to minus 1 by 20. So we'll get that v equals to minus 20 cm. We have got the answer that our image has v equals 20 cm. Let us see the next question. So it is the last question. We have to identify the lens. We have to identify the lens. So here you can see that this yellow line is, after that it is coming here. So these all are meeting here. It is going like this. So there you can directly know that it is converging. These lenses are converging, then going. So we can find that this is convex mirror. So when they are going like this, they are converging. This is converging. Then going like this. So they will become opposite. See. So here, this way this yellow line comes down, and this down, which is peak line, it will came up. So we will take that x is convex mirror. So x we got that it is convex lens. It is convex lens, but mirror, sorry. So thanks guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.